Now I will explain the LeetCode problem number 48, rotate image. They will give the n cross n 2D matrix as the input. We need to rotate the given array by 90 degrees in the direction of clockwise. So I will explain this question at initially, then after we can move to the coding part. And here, this is the input what they given to us, and we need to rotate this array by 90 degrees. Then this array becomes this. Okay, I will explain this. Let me clearly observe means the first row of the given matrix is now the last column of the rotated matrix. And if you take the second row, now it becomes the last second column. Third row is becoming the last third column, and fourth row is becoming the last fourth column. And by observing this, we can get some pattern involved in this, right? Now we will find what pattern involved in this. Okay, for understanding what pattern involved in this, we are just written this. The element which is located at 0 comma 0 index is 1, right? It is now placed at the position of 0 comma 3. I just written the indexes for the understanding the pattern at which they were shifting, means rotating, right? So if you take the element 2, it is located at the position 0 comma 1. Now it placed at the position of 1 comma 3, right? And similarly for the first row I written here, and for the second row let me take an element 5 at the position of 1 comma 0. Now it placed at the position of 0 comma 2. And similarly let me here take the element 8. It is located at 1 comma 3 indexes, right? That is now placed at the position of 3 comma 2. 3 comma 2 means here. Okay, so by observing this we can get this that I will write this. For the row I am giving the I, for column I am giving the j. Here the j of the element, what is I comma j means it is a row. Sorry, it is I means the row, j means column. Okay, here the column is becoming the row. Clearly we can observe means 0 1 2 3, right? 0 1 2 3. Here we can clearly find that the column is becoming the row of the rotated matrix, and we need to find this. Let me keep it as x. And here from this we can observe that 0 1 2 3, right? 0 1 2 3. Here also same we can observe means I comma j is becoming the j and x. Now we need to concentrate on x. How we need to find the x? Here for the first row the x value is common for all the elements. Here for the second row the value of x is common for all the elements, right? It means for the column it's same, right? So the x value is same for all the elements here. So here clearly observe that the j is becoming the column is becoming the row. And also here how can we find the x value? X value is nothing but what? The length of the matrix minus 1 minus I. How I am saying it means for the first row the value is 3. For the second row the value of x is 2. By similarly if you if you written same like this, we will find the x value for the third row is 1, for the fourth row is 0. So what similarly it we will the value of the x is for the first row is 3, for the second row is 2, third row is 1, for the fourth row is 0. No, so it is in the pattern of length of the matrix, length of the matrix, it means n cross n, right? So n cross n, not the length of the matrix, it is n cross n, right? So n minus 1 minus I. Here the n is what? 4, right? 4 minus 1 minus, for the first row I is 0, so we found that 3. Here n minus I, 1 minus I, for the second row the I value is 1, so it becoming 2. Similarly 1 and 0, so the x value is n minus 1 minus 0. Okay, I hope you clear, right? Here n means uh, you can call it as matrix length also, right? The matrix, what will, if you write the matrix length means what it is the number of rows present in the matrix. That's it, right? And the matrix is equals to the n here, so n cross n means number of rows into number of columns. Here the number of rows and columns are equal, and also if you write the matrix total length, it will return the number of rows, so that is equals to the n here. Okay, so we finally found the x value and also find the I value. Okay, now we will directly move to the coding part, so you will understand this question. uh, Initially we need to declare an array. For simplicity I am taking int length is equals to matrix dot length. It will return the number of columns or the length of the matrix. Anything is same, right? I am creating the another 2D array that with same length as given matrix. And what I need to do, I need to iterate throughout the array, and uh, I here find that the pattern how the elements are placing. Just in the same way I will copy the element from the given matrix and I will place the element at the specified position in the array what I declared, what I initialized. Okay, so we need to place the element at the position of j comma x, right? Here the x value is what? N minus 1 minus I. What that element, that is matrix of I comma z. It means the element from the matrix I am placing at the exact position in the array ARR matrix. Okay, I hope you clear, right? Now I need to again iterate through the array and copying the each element from the matrix ARR and placing at the same position in the matrix what they given to us as an input. So our final solution is completed by solving this way. just placing the elements what I picked from the ARR. And our logic is finished. Now let me run this. The test cases are passed. Let's submit this. But I want to say you one thing. As in the question, they said that we need to solve this in place. But here I am taking the another array, and I'm using the another array to solve this. But in the question, they clearly mentioned that we need not to take another array or some extra space to solve this. We need to solve this using within this array only. So I for the explanation I just solve this. So in the next video I will solve this problem without using the extra space. Okay. um, I will maximum I will upload the second video by tomorrow.